The Allwood Claudia 209 SQF Cabin Kit is an impressive offering for those in search of a versatile and aesthetically pleasing garden house or cabin. This thoughtfully designed pre-cut log cabin kit combines both functionality and charm, making it an outstanding option for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor space. Upon unboxing the kit, the quality of the materials immediately stands out. Each piece of natural wood is crafted from Scandinavian spruce, known for its durability and resistance to weather elements. The 2x4-inch wall logs are not only sturdy but also provide good insulation, ensuring that the cabin remains cozy during colder months. This aspect is particularly appealing for those who plan to use the cabin year-round, whether as a guest house, a home office, or a relaxing retreat. One of the most compelling features of the Allwood Claudia is its spacious design. Boasting 209 square feet of interior space, the cabin allows for a variety of layouts that can be customized to fit your needs. The interior height of nearly 9 feet creates an airy atmosphere, making it feel even more expansive. This cabin kit is ideal for comfortably accommodating a small family or a couple of friends, making it perfect for weekend getaways or summer retreats. The design aesthetics of the Allwood Claudia cabin are also noteworthy. It features a charming gable roof and a classic cabin look that can seamlessly blend into a variety of landscapes. The large double-glazed windows not only allow ample natural light to flood the interior but also offer stunning views of the surrounding nature. This connection to the outdoors is one of the cabin's key selling points, encouraging occupants to enjoy their natural surroundings. In terms of assembly, the Allwood Claudia cabin kit is designed for easy installation. Although it is recommended to have some basic carpentry skills, the comprehensive instruction manual makes it manageable for DIY enthusiasts. Most buyers report that they were able to complete the assembly in a weekend or over a few days, depending on their level of experience. The pre-cut pieces fit together well, eliminating the need for extensive measuring and cutting. However, some users have noted that having an extra pair of hands can greatly assist in lifting and securing the heavier logs during construction. It's worth noting that a solid foundation is crucial for the long-term stability of the cabin. While the kit does not come with a foundation option, Allwood provides detailed guidelines on how to construct one. Many buyers opt for a concrete slab or wooden pier foundation, which adds to the overall durability of the structure. Additionally, the Allwood Claudia is eco-friendly, aligning well with the values of environmentally conscious consumers. The use of sustainable wood and the option to finish the exterior with natural, non-toxic stains or paints make it a guilt-free choice for those concerned about their ecological footprint. After assembly, many users express satisfaction with the overall performance and functionality of the cabin. Several reviews highlight how well the cabin retains heat during winter months and how it remains cool and breathable in the summer. This adaptability to different weather conditions makes it a reliable option for year-round use. However, there are a couple of considerations to keep in mind. While the cabin is designed for various uses, it does not come equipped with electrical wiring or plumbing. Buyers will need to consider these aspects if they plan to use the cabin as a full-time living space. Additional costs might incur for these installations, so it's essential to budget accordingly. Another potential drawback is the price point. While the Allwood Claudia is competitively priced when compared to similar cabin kits, it may still be a significant investment for some buyers. Nevertheless, the quality and aesthetic appeal of the cabin justify the cost for many, considering it as a long-term investment in their property. In summary, the Allwood Claudia 209 SQF Cabin Kit is a well-constructed, beautiful, and versatile solution for those looking to expand their living space or create a serene outdoor retreat. Its combination of quality materials, spacious design, and eco-friendly characteristics make it a standout choice in the pre-cut cabin market. With a little effort and planning, individuals can easily transform their outdoor area into a